What's happening, party people? Good morning and happy Dr. King's Day. A lot of people think this is a black person's holiday, but really it's a minority's holiday where Dr. King and many other people fought for equal rights for people. So, hey, if you're in the USA and you're recognizing this day, I hope you have a great day. And if you have it off, congratulations. If you got to work, God bless you. Hope everything goes well. But hey, in this land of opportunity and capitalism, most of us have to work. So it's just the way that thing crumbles. I am still in Las Vegas. You guys know I called waiting for parts a hostage. We ordered a part to prevent these people from blowing the engine last Wednesday. It was supposed to be ship priority, and they had a scheduled drop-off delivery noon Friday. I was supposed to leave here Thursday. Well, noon Friday, no big deal. Friday comes, they kicked that delivery back till before 9 p.m. Then they kicked it back to before midnight. Friday came and went. We'll surely get it Saturday. Saturday came and went. Well, heck, do I abandon the job and leave these folks to it for themselves? Not in, I don't think, that much of a hurry. Of course, sitting is expensive. So anyway, going to Sunday, I wake up Sunday morning and realize they're not delivering Monday. So hopefully we will get that part tomorrow. And as soon as I get that part installed, I will be out of here. That part is sometimes difficult to install. The mechanics here to do stuff like that is slim pickings in Las Vegas, but that's what I'm sitting here waiting on. Anyway, I got some other stuff I'm piddling around with. Hopefully I'll get out of here early enough Tuesday to make it in Albuquerque Tuesday evening and start taking care of what I need to do down there. Wednesday, supposed to be a 5-day journey in Albuquerque, then headed west. So that's where I'm at. I hope you guys enjoyed today's videos. Remember, if I mention a task that I do, you can get the details to that task in the description area below, and you should see the link to the step-by-step instructions. So that's that. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Kicking off the Tinker Day with this white S70. Man, this thing's got a crazy vibration coming from the back. I hope it ain't one of them Delta links. Anyway, I tried to scan it with the launch scanner because it has a check engine light, and it didn't find any codes. So I'm gonna see if my Volvo scanner has enough juice so I can scan it with Vita. See if this computer has enough battery power. See, it says it's full. See if it has enough to scan this car. Dice unit hooked up. I'm gonna shut this Wi-Fi off on this thing. No reason for that to be on. This thing takes a while to boot up now with Windows, I think 11 on it. So let's let it boot up and scan it for codes. That hard drive is still flickering, but it's been about 3 minutes. Let's see if it'll let us in the Vita. Double clutches, and it might let us in. It's working on it, working on it. It did let us in. We are now doing the scan. I did reset the service light. You hold in the trip computer and turn the ignition to run and let it sit like that till that service light starts flashing, and then you let the trip computer button go and shut the ignition off. So I did reset the service light. Remember, this is the car I put that ETM in a few weeks ago. Within a month, it popped the check engine light for something else, but the ETS light's out, and it's still running decent. So let's see what it is. My battery said it was good for an hour and 11 minutes. Let's see what it says now, halfway through the scan. And it still says it's at 100%. So see if it makes it through the scan. O2 sensor. Oh, that'll mess up your gas mileage. I don't see what his gas mileage is. 18 miles to the gallon. Man, that sucks. See what delivery says. He's getting 18 miles to the gallon. Other than that, no fault on delivery. Well, it should let us clear that code. Nothing's on delivery, so it wouldn't let me clear the codes. Just got a check engine light. That is weird. So let's do erase all just to clear that. Seems to be working now. Turn the ignition off, rev above 1500, stop the engine, idle for 20 seconds, and then read out again. Let it idle for 20 seconds. Still got a check engine light. It's weird. I couldn't see nothing on the last tab, and I still got a check engine light. It won't clear. So I'm gonna get my other scanner and try to do a force clear with my scan gauge. I'm reading it with the vehicle running this time, or maybe it won't read with the vehicle running, and it won't give me a diagnostics. All right, it's reading now. My computer is not reading the battery power. It's still saying it's full at 111 minutes. And the tester under here is still saying full. So I don't know what's going to go on with this battery, but we're going to go ahead and hopefully we'll make it through this scan with it. It delivered the front O2 sensor this time, so let's see if it'll clear the code. Oh, yep, it cleared the code. I see no check engine light right now. Since the oil change reminder was on, we're going to go ahead and change the oil on this vehicle and change the spark plug. So let me get cracking. I thought I was going to change the oil in this car, but it's got a 98 oil filter on it. So let me go ahead and change the spark plugs, check the oil, air up the tires. Looks like he needs an alignment. This tire over here is not wearing properly, so we gotta get that checked out. And send this one on its way and change the oil to first of next month. Well, that was a short day with very little progress. Did not complete my task at hand. Man, this happens like that some days. So again, I hope you folks like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.